Looking for the best chainsaws? Whether you need powerful cutting for heavy-duty jobs or a lightweight saw for yard work, the right chainsaw makes every task faster, safer, and more efficient. Here are the top chainsaws worth considering. Starting at number 1. Husqvarna 440 Gas Chainsaw. The Husqvarna 440 gas chainsaw is a reliable and powerful 40 cubic centimeters chainsaw built for wood cutting, tree trimming, and general property maintenance. Powered by a 2.4 HP 2-cycle X-torque engine, it delivers strong cutting performance while improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. The 18-inch bar handles small to medium-sized trees with ease, and features like Smart Start and a lightweight design make it easy to start, comfortable to use, and ideal for homeowners who want professional-level performance without the extra weight. Number 2. EGO Power Plus Chainsaw. The EGO Power Plus Chainsaw, 16-inch, model CS1611, is a cordless, battery-powered chainsaw that delivers the power of a 40 cubic centimeters gas saw without the noise, fumes, or fuss. It comes with a 56 version 2.5Ah battery and charger, and its 16-inch bar and chain combined with a high-efficiency brushless motor provides smooth, efficient cutting for wood, branches, and general yard tasks. With features like tool-free chain tensioning, automatic oiling, low kickback chain design, and weather-resistant construction, this electric chainsaw is easy to use and maintain, making it a great choice for homeowners looking for strong performance and cordless convenience. Number 3. SKIL PWR Core 40 Brushless. The SKIL PWR Core 40 Brushless 40V 14-inch lightweight chainsaw kit, model CS4555-10, is a cordless battery-powered saw that combines easy handling with strong cutting performance, perfect for trimming branches and light to medium yard tasks. Powered by a digital brushless motor and backed by SKIL's PWR Core 40 lithium battery technology, it delivers efficient power, longer run time, and faster charging with the included auto PWR jump charger. This kit also features tool-free chain tensioning, auto lubrication, an anti-kickback brake, and weather-resistant construction for more convenient and safer operation. Number 4. SEESII Electric Chainsaw Cordless. The SEESII Electric Chainsaw Cordless 12-inch is a compact, battery-powered chainsaw designed for easy cutting and trimming around the yard, garden, or small projects. It features a brushless motor for better efficiency and durability, and comes with 2x4.0Ah batteries so you get extended runtime without frequent recharging. With automatic chain tensioning and oiling, this mini saw makes maintenance simple, while the lightweight design and 12-inch bar make it ideal for trimming branches, cutting firewood, and general outdoor tasks. Plus it's often chosen as a practical gift for DIY-minded family members. Number 5. SEESII 8-inch Cordless Mini Chainsaw. The SEESII 8-inch Cordless Mini Chainsaw, M8 Boost, is a compact, battery-powered handheld saw designed for quick and efficient tree branch cutting, pruning, and light yard work. It features an upgraded brushless motor for improved power and durability, and comes with two 4,000 mAh batteries that provide extended runtime so you can cut through numerous pieces of wood without frequent recharging. With tool-free chain tensioning and a built-in oiler system, maintaining optimal performance and chain lubrication is easy, while the lightweight design makes it comfortable to handle during outdoor tasks.